name is Christina Satterley, and I'm going to be the instructor for the DIY Toys course at CCBC. I'm here today to give you a little preview of the course. I've designed DIY Toys as a fun, interactive way for students to get creative making toys in their own home out of everyday household items that are also inexpensive. I'm also set up with my digital toy shop today, and I wanted to give you a little tour. Welcome. Today's project is Flextangles. So we'll start each day with a little tour of our toolbox, making sure that students have everything they need for a great successful project. Then we'll get inspired with some inspiration, so everybody can see how cool the project is going to look when they're done. Then I'll be here to take students step by step throughout the process of making the toys, so we're supported every step of the way. Not only is this a ton of fun and an opportunity for students to get creative and express themselves, it's also an opportunity for learning and discovery. Those Flextangles you just saw, we're going to use them to talk about the science and history of optical illusions. We'll also be using paper toys to talk about momentum and also paper helicopters to talk about basic physics principles like gravity, and a bunch more. So it's going to be a ton of fun, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.